breeze on me.
I'm your host, DJ PRS, and let's get to it. I've never played this game before. It's brand new. Well, not brand new. It came out 2 years ago, but it's new to me. So, all I've heard that it was a really sad game, kind of got you thinking about things, so let's do this. New story. Start new story. Okay, directional buttons, navigate menus, move, select, scrub to run. Perhaps you would still have been there. I like the music so far. It's pretty good music. Like watercolor. He would have gone to the circus if not for the fever. Yellow fever. I'm digging it. And then the rain began. So this kid's fever and it's raining. This dude's all fucked up. Along with it appeared a girl. Bitches. I'm digging the music though. What the hell? Their eyes met. Oh, young love. At the time, he had not understood what those eyes were trying to tell him. The girl was not the only thing that appeared amid the raindrops. Oh shit, Slender Man! Uh-oh. That shit look ugly. He's like, bitch, where's my money? She's like, I ain't got it. And he starts chasing her and shit. Homie got like a hook for him. The shadowy form seemed to be chasing the girl. Bitch, better have my money. The boy rushed off in the rain to pursue them. You know what? He might be just like tripping out. Might be like all the drugs he's on because you know he's sick. He got a fever. As he turned the corner, there he saw it. The door of light leading off into the darkness. Wait, is it a door of light or is it a door of darkness? Those two shapes passed through it. The boy followed after them. So he's doing like this little Pinocchio thing, like you're not supposed to go places. This is one of them. Should have went to the carnival. Though into the night. It's like all ominous and then loading. The rain was falling endlessly on the town. Beating them between the soak in the streets. And revealing the shape that the boy had lost. You mean he lost? Oh shit, he's a shadow now. Is we Shadow Boy? Oh shit. Homie's crazy. He's like, where you at, bitch? They were standing in the middle of the street. He seemed searching for the girl. Unknown turned toward him. But the boy was nowhere to be seen. Oh shit, this boy's a ninja. The roof protected him from the rain and hid him from sight. The unknown went back to searching for the girl. Timidly, he put out his hand and began to appear as a mist of the rain. Okay, so you can only be seen in the rain. That's what I just said, little boy. Suddenly there was a sound among the raindrops. Two pairs of eyes sought out its source. The boy began running. He had to save her. Oh shit. Why was he here? Why was he invisible? Lol. He had to find the answers. He had to find the girl. She's like, bitch, why you brought me here? The song began the tale of two, the tale only seen in the rain. Alright, let's go. Children in the night. Let's see what's over here. Jump. Can you fight? Can you do any Hadoukens? Nope. Alright, let's go. Hut, hut, hut. Girl silhouette. Alright, let's go. Jump. Climb. Yo, what if low-key... Oh, Sony Computer Entertainment presents PlayStation Camp Aquatic Corp. Rain. Oh, that's what's up. Come on, kid. Can somebody tell you not to mess with shit in the house? So all I know is that part right there can fuck me up. Casablanca. I'm just gonna stop breaking shit because I can. But... so no parkour? Oh shit. What the fuck is that? Oh hell no. Run, son. Oh hell no. No, no, no. No. That's some bullshit. That is some hella bullshit. I don't know what the fuck. It looks like some shit out of Resident Evil. Do I go in here or? Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, cool. Yeah, that girl's smart. You gotta wake her up. Is she like a dinosaur or something? Oh shit. Turn around, Turn around. There we go. I'm out. Run, nigga! Run! Oh, I'm free. Okay. What does that mean then? Gotti. Oh, hell no. Okay, cool, yeah. Man, girl needs to stop running. Oh, shit. Alrighty then. Yo, okay, that was, so yeah, that just happened. Yo, what are you talking about? I didn't even... Alright, let's try this again. Yo, like, what the... Oh, okay, there's another... Alright. Alright, guys, let's do this. There we go. Like some Metal Gear shit. I don't know what this girl's up to, but I'm gonna find you, bitch, and when I do... Oh, okay, so she's crazy. Alright. What? I died. Is there a way to juke him or something? No. Oh, hold on a second. Let's see. Oh, so when he jumps, I just dodge. Okay, cool. Come on. Come on. Come on. You go jump. So let's see what's up. Come at me, homie. Come at me, homie. Come at me, homie. Come at me, homie. What's Gucci, fam? You ain't ready for this. Got this bitch. Got he. Got what? Got he. Chapter 1, Children in the Night. Well, everyone, I hope you liked this episode. Leave a like and subscribe. And comment down below what else you want me to start playing and stuff. This is going to be a nice, chopped out playthrough. So I hope you guys enjoy. Peace out.